Hey there fellow travelers, it's Wes here from Travel with Wes, and today we're going to explore the breathtaking Slieve League Cliffs of Donegal, Ireland. And along the way, I'll share with you some beautiful images I captured during my visit. Standing nearly 3 times the height of the more famous Cliffs of Moher, these cliffs offer a unique and less crowded experience compared to their more popular relative. In terms of location, the Slieve League Cliffs can be found near the charming village of Teelin and approximately 50 kilometers or 31 miles west of Donegal town. The cliffs are one of the most dramatic stops you'll find along the wild Atlantic Way, as they are some of the highest sea cliffs in all of Europe. These cliffs reach a height of over 600 meters or nearly 2,000 feet. The name Slieve League in Old Irish translates into mountain of stone or grey mountain, which very accurately describes the massive rock face that you'll encounter from the observation deck. In terms of what to expect, if you visit during normal operating hours, you'll need to park in the main lot and hike about 1 mile or 2 kilometers up to the observation deck. There's a small fee for parking here, and if you need a bathroom, be sure to use it here since it'll be your last opportunity before returning to your vehicle. You'll hike along the road to the observation deck, and although it can be steep at times, the path is paved and plenty wide. During the day, vehicle access on this road is restricted to pedestrians or visitors with mobility issues. However, if you visit in the evening like I did, you can skip the mile hike and just drive straight to the observation deck. Just be sure to close the gate behind you because it's there to keep grazing sheep from leaving the area. Once you reach the observation deck, I'd suggest bringing a picnic or some drinks to enjoy while you soak up these views. They are incredible. Of all the places I've visited, this one feels like you've literally reached the edge of Earth, and it makes for a great sunset viewing spot since it faces the west. There are some challenging hiking trails in the area, but if you don't have time for that, I'd suggest making your way 15 minutes up the trail. Doing this will reward you with some even better views and get you away from other visitors who might be down near the main observation area. This is one of my favorite stops during a 10-day road trip I took with my brother across the Emerald Isle of Ireland. While Dublin is a ton of fun to explore, if you want to get the most out of your Ireland trip, I'd suggest renting a car and making your way around the exterior of the island, hitting as many small towns and natural landmarks as you can along the way. Thanks for joining me on today's adventure, and don't forget to check out my other guides for more travel planning resources to make your Ireland trip truly unforgettable. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Travel with Wes for more exciting travel inspiration just like this. Until next time, safe travels and thanks for watching.